Hello everyone, I am Veni Balan from Varmakalpa Rejuvenation Center, a trust which is into the research of our Indian and global traditional healing systems. So today I am here to introduce you to the online programs that we present, and this will help us to engage ourselves even though we are all at a very great distance. Anywhere around the world, we can connect through our online programs. So first, we need to know why VKRC online sessions. So here, the content is delivered to you in various formats like the PDF, the audio or video along with the PDF, video of pre-recorded sessions on practices and how it helps, a minimum of 3 live sessions to demonstrate the system where all your queries are also answered on the live session. And daily also you can put in your questions after you understand the day-to-day program. So we have a dedicated timing in which your queries will be answered. And most important is that the portion of the content that is presented to you in all our courses are extract from manuscripts, which are literary proofs about the system. Now, the courses that we conduct are the Varmam Bootstrap program, which is an online awareness program of 15 days, where we get to know about the Indian traditional system of Varmam and its application in several day-to-day health challenges that we face. Then we teach you about Marma Chikitsa technique, which is part of Ayurveda, and the Marma, which can be used again in day-to-day problems and also relevant to our systems in the body. We have the Panchapakshi Shastra, which is going to tell you about how to take right actions in the right time. So it is about time and how life can change with every decision that you make. Then we have the memory boosting program, which is useful for all ages of people. So this is to know how to boss your brain, or say make the brain do what you want. So first, let's see about Varmam. So Varmam is an Indian traditional system, and it has lot of secrets which are never disclosed, and it is from the Lemurian continent. So the Varmam is a vital energy or prana or the vasi that spreads throughout the body in the system, including the flesh, bone, skin, etc. And when this prana flows without any hurdles, we live in harmony and good health. So the benefits that you derive from this course of 15 days includes results or say application of the Varmam stimulation, which will help in balancing or say relieving the obstacles in the prana. So you can help yourself with bone, nerve and mind related problems, memory development, insomnia, stomach indigestion, gas bloat, vision improvement, anger and emotion management, migraine and sinusitis, snoring and gastric problems, mobility of the limbs, constipation, headache, tinnitus, calming the mind, neuralgic pain, neck rigidity, normal delivery, epilepsy, saliva secretion balancing for special kids and aged people, protection from negative energy and black magic, and protect self from known and unknown enemies within and outside. Then we have the Marma course, which helps in understanding the Ayurveda Marma. This is a 12 days program and has its roots, which we use as a reference from 3 scriptures by Charaka, Sushruta and Vagbhata. So which is a wealth of information and it explains, these are the references which explains about the location, function, trauma and application of the marma points. So here in this course, what we cover is system related. So the body itself is divided into multiple systems, that is the excretory system, respiratory system, digestive system, musculoskeletal system, circulatory system and reproductive system, and the marma stimulations and marma points which would help in keeping these systems healthy and in sync and harmony. Then we have the Panchapakshi Shastra. So here this is the 12-day program, and this will help you to understand how you can make decisions in life, and the small steps that are taken helps you to lead a harmonious life. So the Panchapakshi is a unique system of Vedic astrology which has been considered as a golden key in the hands of man, which can be used with advantage in any endeavor in any walk of life. Panchapakshi Shastra is based on ancient literature in Tamil language. Pancha means five and Pakshi means bird. Just like the five elements in the micro and the macrocosm, one of the five birds is associated with the five elements and is assigned to every human being as the controlling power based on the birth star of the person and the paksha of the moon at the time of birth. Each of these birds have certain activity, and the activity of this main bird at a given point of time and the activity of the sub-bird at that time and the relationship between them indicates whether the time will be beneficial and lucky for the person or not. The Panchapakshi is a down-to-earth practical system which can be applied with advantage for all matters in day-to-day life and by individuals in walks of life to lead a successful life with complete gratification both in mental, physical and even in the spiritual planars. This is based on the comparative gradation of elemental vibration of individuals functioning in life in different walks of life. So with our training session, you will be able to understand what category you belong to and how making decisions in life will be eased with this program. So you will be able to calculate and take good steps which will lead to happiness and success. Then we have the memory development program. So this is a 7 days online session. This will help yourself, your kids and elders to manage any disturbances that come as hindrance in leading a normal, happy life. So we will be covering how the brain works, its structure, the known and the unknown components, the do's and don'ts that need to be followed for a healthy brain, the factors affecting memory development, the brain patterns in each subject that will help us to remember, retain and recollect information as and when needed, diet and food for memory development and healthy memory, practices that need to be followed for a healthy memory, and Varmam for memory development. So we have free introductory sessions which is conducted so as to get an insight into what is being carried out in the sessions. So we have already conducted several such sessions, and there are PDF books which is provided as complementary with each of the course for reference, and these content are well designed documents with relevant images and visual presentation for better understanding. The language used is very simple, English, and also for some of the courses, Hindi notes is also provided. And all references are from mainstream content like images, chat, graphs, etc. So the audio is also accompanied with the PDF so that the pronunciation that needs to be used, the clarity is given through voice since the textual references may not exactly be pronounced by each and every one. This is because the language that the content is derived from includes Sanskrit, Tamil, etc. So which has a different accent and hence the voice will be a supportive media. The content that is shared is in MP3 format and can be played on mobile or any media player. Then we also provide videos which include the practical demonstrations, the steps that used to be followed before practical, and how to start and how to end the particular stimulation or the procedure that is to be followed, where to start and where to end, and more than anything, what not to do. And we have used mannequins and other props for demonstration. It includes step-by-step instruction for better understanding, use of simple language, and all demonstrations are again explained in the PDF document. Live sessions are for clarification of any doubt that cannot be cleared through chat. So the live demonstration will include all that is covered in both theory and practical sessions. And we use every option of props for demonstrating the practical session so that a clear understanding is there. Even though it is an online session, it should be easy for the people to practice. Every live session has state-of-the-art, out-of-the-box technology and ideas of presenting the system under study. And we also teach how to protect yourself from possible effects of energy disturbances, such as feeling tired after treating somebody, etc., while practicing the systems such as Varma and Marma. So the live sessions included for Panchapakshi and then the Varmam, then the live demonstration of stimulation is all shown for you. So we have the textual content displayed and along with that the practical demonstration is also shown. And we have the enthusiastic participants who are part of our system now. The shared content is on a day-to-day basis, and finally a free ebook which is a consolidated reference to the full program is also provided. All possible audio recorded relevant to the daily program. All videos of pre-recorded sessions with clear explanations and all recorded live sessions are all shared on Google Drive so that you can download it and use it as reference anytime. So the program is designed in such a way that the take home would be you can start practicing right after the day you have completed the course. And any further doubts to be asked can be continued in the WhatsApp group or in personal chat discussions or through mail. And this can be used even after, or say it can be followed even after the classes get over. It's not like something initiated and it ends in the 10, 12 or 15 days. So all the well-designed content in different media will be your lifetime asset, which will guide you as a guru. So we are always available for you to access if anything you may need relevant to the subject that you have learned. So these are the sample certificates for all the 4 courses that we conduct. The free ebook covers are included for your reference. For the memory, the Panchapakshi, Varmam and Marma. And we conduct online courses right now, which include Varmam, Marma, Panchapakshi, memory, and using the art of painting and drawing to manage emotions. So now the memory development and drawing and painting classes are for children also, anybody who is above the age of 5, and the Varmam, Marma and Panchapakshi, including these two courses, are for adults. The regular courses also are being conducted by VKRC apart from the online sessions, because the system, like any of the ancient system like the Varmam or Marma, needs that you need to get personally in touch, and then you have to feel and learn the procedures. So for that, online sessions won't be a complete one. So once you are done with the online session, you can get back in touch with us for the regular courses, which we conduct as levels of programs, so that once you finish level 1, you are eligible to move on to level 2 and then level 3. So this level is needed because you need to learn it in a series or say sequence of steps. These are all systems which are taught in the Gurukula method. We also have a 1-year diploma program called Varmam Therapist Diploma, and we have collaborated with the Transdisciplinary University, which is in Bangalore. And this is the first of its kind where therapists are coming out, and we have already successfully completed the first batch. And this helps in people to set up their careers in healing. So for any other information, you can get in touch with us on varmamacademy@gmail.com or on our mobile numbers 9886 556628. You can talk to Dvina Netrayashree, and 9880 that is Veni Balan. And you can visit our website to get more details, varmakalparemedy.com. And you can also visit us at Agastya Wellness Center, the healing wing of Varmakalpa Rejuvenation Center, which is in JP Nagar 7th phase, Bangalore. Thank you, everyone.